Hi friends, here's a fun story about snowflakes. Here's a giant snowflake, one by one. So you're also going to need the numbers that you'll find at the back of your book. So you'll need to cut these out or have an adult help you cut them out. There's lots of different numbers here. And you're going to read the story. One little snowflake with nothing to do. So you're going to find the number 1 and put it here. Along came another, and then there were 2. Here's the word 2, 1, 2, and you will add your number 2. 2 little snowflakes playing in a tree, 1, 2, you'll put number 2 there. Along came another, and then there were 3, 1, 2, 3, so number 3 will go there. 3 little snowflakes falling by the door. 1, 2, 3. So number 3 goes there. Along came another, and then there were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So put your number 4 there. 4 little snowflakes dancing outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Along came another, and then there were, you got it right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5 goes there. 5 little snowflakes having so much fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out came the sun, and then there were none. Another word for none is 0. So you can use your number 0 there. The end. That means the story is over. And then you can read the story over and over. It's about snowflakes. Bye, friends.